How to use emphasis in Murf AI. So what you want to do is create your project. So paste it and make sure split script by paragraphs is enabled. Now what you want to do is click Explore AI Voices and select the voice that you want. I'm going to be using the default one, Nate. So now you need to press this emphasis button right here in the block that you want to put emphasis on. So click this, and here you'll have the entire sentence. Let's say I want capturing sound. I want to put emphasis on that. So what I'm gonna do is, let's do that. And let's preview.
Microphones are essential tools for capturing sound and converting it into an electrical signal.
Okay, that sounds kind of funny, so let's just...
Microphones are essential tools for capturing sound and converting it into an electrical signal.
So let's say this is how I want the emphasis to be. I'm just gonna click apply. And there you go. Now let's use another emphasis right here. And let me show a couple of more features. So to remove emphasis, all you need to do is select an emphasis and click remove node, like that. And the other thing that can change the emphasis is if there's a question mark at the end of the sentence. So let's put a question mark and let's preview.
Microphones are essential tools for capturing sound and converting it into an electrical signal.
And there you go, you heard the emphasis right there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.